Do you know the inside layout of this house? So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus dining area here. The size of this area is 16 feet 4 inches into 10 feet in meter 4.97 into 3.04 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, chairs arrangement, and also we have TV unit on the front wall, and we have a dining counter with 4 chairs, and also we have a large glass panel here. After that we'll go inside. So we have kitchen plus washing area here. The size of this area is 16 feet 4 inches into 5 feet in meter 4.97 into 1.52 meter. You can see here the burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also we have a washing machine here. We have 2 large size window for ventilation of this area and a glass panel here. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage here and a common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of this washroom is 4 feet into 12 feet in meter 1.21 into 3.65 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. On the right side we have bedroom number 1 here. The size of this bedroom is 9 feet into 12 feet in meter 2.74 into 3.65 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also we have a large size window for ventilation of this room. After that we will go inside. So we have bedroom number 2 here. The size of this bedroom is 9 feet into 11 feet in meter 2.74 into 3.35 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and also we have attached washroom plus water closet here with this room. The size of this washroom is 9 feet into 4 feet in meter 2.74 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.